Okay. Wow. I think this is done. I think this is done. See it? Done. Can't make all the gravy go away. Not make the gravy dry out at all. So I'm gonna put it into a container. Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. And you know, I must first tell you thanks for everything. The Lord has been so good to each and every one of us. I hope everybody is okay. We are okay this side. So let us all pray together that the Lord will continue to help us in everything we put our hand to. He will help. He promised He will never leave us nor forsake us. So today I'm going to cook gizzard. You know the gizzard from the chicken? That's what I'm going to cook. And I have 2 pack here. And this is 1.5 pounds and a pound and a half. Oh wow, 3 pounds. Okay, so I'm gonna curry it. And when I curry it, I'm still gonna put my butter bean. And I'm gonna cook it down with some coconut milk. Here I have over here my dry ingredients and my season over here. You may have all the peppers. As you know, I love to cook it, all these peppers. And I have my scallion and onion and thyme. I have a little ginger there and hot scotch bonnet pepper and garlic. And over here I have black pepper, I have pepper, I have all-purpose season, complete season, and I have my curry, and I have some garlic mix here over here, and 1 teaspoon of everything, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper over here. The rest is 1 teaspoonful. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and wash these. Okay, I will be right back. Put a little vinegar in the water. Ooh, wow. Vinegar is so rich. This is a lot. I went to buy a pack, but the pack looks so small. I just grabbed 2 pack. Now I let them soak in this vinegar water. I know sometimes they want to clean up, so I will all get them done. This is a lot. I'm right back. You see it? Why you have to pick them? You have to go through them and pick it. See it? This didn't come off. See it? So you have to pick off this. See it? Okay. Now I think is one I have there. So you have to clean up your meat good when you get it, you know. Put vinegar and lemon on your meat. Put a little salt in the pan and wash your meat good. Okay, let me strain out this and then I run by the water. And let it sit in the pan for around 10 minutes before you can use it. This meat has to wash proper. From cleaning up my stuff, I'm gonna add my season to my meat. Okay. I'm gonna put this in my pot first. Now let me do it in my hand. Curry is so strong. And you see it? It looks so not plenty. You see it? Just straight down. Alright. I'm gonna let it sit here for around 5-10 minutes. Cover it. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna put some oil in my pot on the fire. I am going to burn the curry. You know, when you burn the curry, you get a better flavor. Wow. Okay, as I said, I've burned my curry first. Give it a better taste. I have 1 teaspoonful there, and I'm gonna add another teaspoonful. Burn the curry first. Remember, if you're gonna use anything in curry, just burn it first. Alright, I'm gonna put my gizzard in there and make it. Gizzard. I remember my mom used to kill the chicken. Everybody running for the gizzard. The fries. They're nice. Sound gizzard, man. And they're not hard to cook. I'll give it some little time for it to season and the curry to penetrate in my gizzard, and then I throw my season with my coconut milk. When it cook down, I put my butter bean. Alright, I'm gonna cover this and let it stay there for some time. Right. Wow. You see it? I came back. You see it? I cover it. You see so much water spring? And it don't take long to cook. So I'm just gonna put half of my coconut milk. Okay? And let it cook it down. That is all. And I will just put my season in it. Ooh. Wow. Looking good, right? I'm just gonna make it come to a boil, and then I put my butter bean and a piece of butter. Okay? Alright, stay tuned. Wow, look how nicely cooking down. Pretty, okay? I just gonna add my butter bean. I'm not putting 2, I'm just gonna put 1. Yes, butter bean can eat with curry. Yes, and put a little butter in a pot. Okay? Let it cook down nicely. Alright, here we go. I'll give it the next 10 minutes and it's done. Hey, hey. Looking good. Looking good. Alright. And it's not hard to cook. Okay? Put it on low and I give it the next 10 minutes on low. Okay. Okay, I'm back again. Cooking down nicely, man. I put in a little parsley, 1 teaspoon. Parsley. Right? 2 more minutes. And I am done. You want your gravy, okay? Okay. Wow. I think this is done. I think this is done. See it? Done. Can't make all the gravy go away. Not make the gravy dry out at all. So I'm gonna put it into a container. Alright. Wow. This is my finishing look. This is my finishing look. And it's chicken gizzard with butter bean and cooked down with coconut milk. I did have 3 cups of coconut milk. I just used 1.5 because I cover it and it springs some water and I didn't want it to overcook. Okay? So this is my finishing look. Guys, wow. I am telling you. I'm gonna try it and tell you how it tastes. Come on, Huzzy.
All right,
Give it
darling.
a taste. Give it a taste for me, yeah.
Guys, it looks like it's so delicious. I can taste it. Mmm. So crunchy and nice. Mmm, and soft. Wifey, I don't know it's so delicious. So nice. Guys, you must try this at home.
Okay, guys, remember to like, share, subscribe. Please share it with someone for me and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. God bless you. And remember, guys, you can eat it with anything. You can have rice, dumpling, banana, potato, anything of your choice. You can have this, a big dish, rice and peas, anything. It's good with everything. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye.